On today's wanted donut list, a group of friends can't agree on who owes what for dinner.
I sat down at the bar with my friend. Did you watch me eat anything?
Set friend group contemplating on telling the truth or not.
Oh, you're gonna tell them that you're gonna tell them the truth, right? Because now you got these two niggas looking here looking crazy. I don't know what you're talking about.
And an officer makes a statement.
The chances of them making it off property without going to jail are slim at this point.
On September 26th, 2025, officers are called to a Cheesecake Factory after staff say part of a group is refusing to pay their tab, and management wants charges if it stays that way.
Good evening.
And your friend. But her?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I am paying for everything you have Zelle.
Okay, just slow your roll, man.
I
You don't need to yell in my face. Just pay your bill. Don't touch me either.
Are you upset?
I don't know why you were getting all loud and yelling in my
Sir,
face.
I didn't sleep. Are you gonna understand or
Just
not?
pay the bill.
Sir, I have the money.
Okay, then pay the bill.
I had friends from high school, two
Okay.
friends from high school, and they were being rude. I just met this guy 2 days ago. I'm on a date with him. I know you don't care.
The first woman insists she's got this covered. Her phone's just dead.
My phone is dead. I gave my phone to the bartender. I have money to pay.
The plan gets complicated fast, since apparently her date has the cash, but isn't feeling generous after her friend's behavior earlier in the night.
My date has cash to pay, but my friends disrespected him, so he doesn't want to pay. I have the money to pay.
Okay, if you guys don't pay, you're going to end up going to jail. I don't
Sir,
want to do
I
that.
have the money to pay, so I won't be going to jail. So that's the end of it.
All right, so let's get it paid.
Correct.
Okay. Your boyfriend's right here.
That's not my boyfriend. That's the person I'm dating.
Okay, your person you're dating. Pay the bill.
Louis?
Yes.
It's not that big of a deal. I have the money.
How am I paying for their stuff?
Sir, you do not have to pay for your thing. That is the end of discussion. I have the money.
Where are the other two girls that were here? Their tab was the biggest tab.
Officers make it clear who's actually on the hook here, regardless of who ordered what.
You know what? You're the one holding the bag right now, bro.
This is my bag, sir.
Yeah, I know, but the figuratively, you're the one
I'm
holding the
sorry,
bag.
don't be rude.
Out of my face.
But officer, a bill that is not mine. It was the other two ladies that are outside, officer.
Where are they at?
He said 5 minutes or we're going to jail. Can I please get a charge? He said 5 minutes or we're going to jail. I'm sorry for screaming. I need to charge my phone so we can pay the bill. I am sorry. Can I get the charger so we can pay the bill before we go to jail? It's okay.
I'm not paying for everyone's
You
bill.
didn't buy anything though. He didn't pay for
Give her the
anything.
charger.
He
All right,
didn't
you got
pay
a
for
charger.
anything.
You got a charger. Let's get it plugged in.
He didn't pay for
You
anything.
put your hands on me again, and I'm going to take you to jail. Don't touch me again.
I didn't mean
Okay,
to.
give them the charger. Ask them nicely to plug it in for you. Let's go.
He's
Sounds
paying
like a
it.
problem.
Excuse me, I'm paying it.
All right,
He's
plug it
charging-
in. Plug it in.
Nobody has to go to jail. I'm paying.
Can you plug her in? Thank you.
Exactly.
She stuck with
Don't
you.
criticize him.
And then she invited her friends and stuck you with the bill. I get it.
Knowing that they had already finished eating everything. I
He
came
just
here
paid
to order
after
a soda.
everything.
All right,
My
so
friends-
you're paying the bill. That's all that matters.
Yes.
Okay. No, I get it. You just showed up to hang out with them and they'd already eaten. I get it.
Yeah, but you're saying gonna arrest me. It's my birthday.
It doesn't matter what day it is. You have a bill and you don't pay it. They want to press charges.
Sir, I've been had the money. I don't care who he is. I've been had the money.
Hey, when this is all done tonight, your best bet is to run far, bro.
Are you upset, sir? You
No.
seem animosity.
You're out of control.
Just be quiet, please, before they try to arrest you for no reason. Please.
All right, you had a shot, a
That
custom.
was mine. It was birthday shot.
Sit back down.
He didn't have nothing.
Sit back down.
She explains this isn't really who she is. She's got a real job, real responsibilities. And this entire situation started with high school friends acting up.
I have a job, an office manager at a funeral home.
Why did you get to this point?
Can I explain more? They're being rude. I'm not the one that was being rude. Ask the bartender, Caleb. I was being nice the whole time.
So this right here.
Meanwhile, a second woman who left the restaurant with an unpaid balance gets called back and immediately isn't interested in the conversation.
Come on back in.
You're talking to me very disrespectfully.
Okay, come on back in, please.
For?
Because you have an outstanding bill.
I don't have an outstanding bill.
Okay, we're working that out. Right now, you're detained for having an outstanding bill that you didn't
I'm
pay.
not gonna be detained
You can either
for anything.
come on back in.
The
I'll tell you
tablet's
what.
in my name?
I'll tell you what. You got about 2 seconds to come inside, or we're gonna put you in handcuffs and just take you to jail.
And I came back from my friend, which is the issue was
Come on,
being caused.
your friend's in here. Come on.
Does that make
All right,
sense?
are you gonna
I'm
pay your
trying to
bill or
avoid
not?
taking you to
That's
jail.
not
I'm trying to be
my
nice.
Whose bill is it?
It's hers.
All right, come on
That's
in.
what I'm trying to get her to do. I'm
Work it
the
out.
one who
All right,
called, you
okay.
dumb. I'm the one who
Let's
called.
go. Let's go. Come
Then
on.
come inside. If she says she's gonna pay the bill, then you can go.
I'm not
Let's go
forced
inside.
to do anything. I know my
Okay,
rights.
did you order food? Did you
They
order
ordered
food?
food.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm not going nowhere,
You're not
and you're
going
not
anywhere
going to
until you
strong
pay.
arm me.
Come on
Because
inside.
I'm not paying for anything because I did not
You
buy
wrote-
anything.
Hey.
She'd rather argue the finer points of individual responsibility than actually settle up.
I know my rights, and I did not pay for it.
You don't know your
cannot
rights.
force me to
Hey,
pay
boss
for
man.
it.
Sir, did she order food?
Yes.
She ate food?
Yes.
How much is she personally responsible
I
for?
sat down at the bar with my friend. Did
All
you
right.
watch me eat anything? You're the manager. You
All of these drinks and this food.
exactly, and it's me and 2 other people.
Come
So
on.
how you gonna put everything on me?
I'm not putting everything on you. Come on, we're gonna split it up.
I'm not the one who's paying for anything because I didn't buy
I'm
anything,
losing my patience.
and I am too.
At this point, officers aren't optimistic about how the night's going to end for anybody.
I'm sorry. I try and be patient tonight. I'm trying to have a. What's that?
It's been going on for a long time.
Yeah, they're not. The chances of them making it off property without going to jail are slim at this point. But we're gonna give it our best shot.
If you're enjoying today's episode, hit subscribe and officially claim your complimentary virtual donut. The payment attempts don't help the mood. Declined cards, fraud flags, and a side argument nobody asked for.
But this card is declining because of fraud.
Close
I'm
that.
concerned.
They're not gonna take Zelle, so you need to figure out a different way to pay.
So you're gonna tell them that you're gonna tell them the truth, right? Because now you got these 2 niggas looking here looking crazy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
My point. I don't know what the they're talking about either. I came here to get you correctly. I came
Pay the bill.
exactly, and I came here to get you, right? So what the is y'all talking
So
about?
can you calm down before they arrest you?
They're trying to arrest me already.
With one woman continuing to yell and refusing to calm down, officers make the call. Disorderly conduct doesn't require a weapon or a punch, just behavior that's genuinely disrupting the people around you. And a crowded restaurant on a Friday night qualifies.
Hey, shut up.
I tried
So
to.
be quiet. Sit down. Before you get arrested.
Don't make me stop the out of you and I really go to jail. You see how y'all 2 live?
You're gonna pay for her?
Can you sit down?
I didn't buy shit.
All right.
Are you
If
paying
she
for her?
continues to yell and she's disorderly, we're just gonna take her. All right. Disorderly conduct.
For her?
Disorderly conduct.
Okay, you can go. You can go.
All right, get up. Don't put your hands on me. That's the second time I've told you not to put your hands on me.
I'm sorry.
You grab me from behind. I'm done with you.
I was just didn't want you to arrest her.
Well, now you're going to jail for putting your hands on me
Jail?
again.
Jill?
There you go. Handcuffs for you.
Don't
You-
do anything. Do yourself a favor. Turn around.
Trespasser, and if she doesn't leave right away, take her to jail. 2, 1.
You didn't even let me walk out. You see how they didn't even let me move? I tried to. I didn't say nothing to you. As soon as I stepped, you grabbed me.
Is that her phone? Do you want to pay your bill or do you want to be charged?
Yeah.
Okay. Pay your bill. Turn your phone on and pay your bill.
She's saying her thing is declining.
Oh,
I have my mobile pay works.
They take Apple Pay is what they say.
I haven't.
Let's step outside. Let's go. Outside. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Outside.
hang on. We can pay. Hold on.
Yeah, we're doing it outside. Have a seat.
And y'all detaining me. You're doing too much.
Shut up.
It's her
Shut up.
fault.
Shut up.
It's your fault. It is your fault. I'm arrested. You talk too much.
Hey, shut up.
It's her.
Shut the hell up. Shut your mouth. Shut up. Don't say a damn thing. Just be quiet.
God damn. You gotta just hold it right there. Is it declining?
Is it declining?
Yeah.
All right, can't help you.
Yeah, I know. You tried.
I'm sorry, man.
Okay.
All right, she's gonna be charged with that too.
How you gonna pay for it?
My phone, Zelle.
They don't take
They're
Zelle.
not taking Zelle.
Excuse me.
They don't take Zelle.
I can call.
You need to pay it right now.
Apple Pay is the best they can do.
Apple Pay.
No, we tried Apple Pay tonight.
Excuse me, what do you mean? I'm gonna arrest it? I have money in my bank. Excuse me. Yes, I do. I just showed you. Excuse me, answer. No. Excuse me, answer. You can pay for it. My ex-boyfriend. Excuse me, pay. Excuse me. Excuse me, let him pay for. Excuse me, I don't want to have a job. I have a job. Please let him pay for it. My phone
We're not
is.
going to sit here and negotiate.
Excuse, I just showed you how
You need to stop
700.
yelling, or I'm gonna charge you with another charge for the
I
silver
have
account.
$700 on my account in TD Bank. I'm telling you guys. Ma'am, my ex.
It means nothing.
TD Bank, I just tried it. It's not working. It's declining.
Excuse me,
All
I
right,
just.
stand up. Let's go.
Let's go. Get up.
I will get up.
Get up.
I have no
Get
problem.
up. Let's go.
Can I get my shoes?
Walk out that way.
Can I please get my
You take your
shoes?
shoes off. Let's get over there. Come on.
Please,
Walk.
can I get my shoes?
You're gonna get your shoes. Let's get
I don't
going.
want playing to words. Can I please get my shoes?
I got you, sir.
Please. You guys doing this to black women. It's okay.
Getting her out of the restaurant becomes its own struggle, escalating to the point where she ends up on the ground.
For it. Excuse me, can I get my shoes?
We're going to get them.
Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
Okay.
Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
You ain't getting them.
I'm not getting my shoes.
You're not.
Why? And I have money to pay for it.
Go ahead, grab them.
And
Grab
I
them.
have money to pay for
Go ahead, grab them.
it. Slam my head on the ground.
Keep playing games? I got it.
Slam my head on the ground.
Okay, stop. You know you're causing all this, Robin, right? Relax.
You're an embarrassment.
Let's go. Pull up. Oh my goodness, yo.
I had the money to pay.
Too late.
These cops are being white and racist. I had the money to pay.
Don't say
Call my mom. Call my mom. I had the money to pay. I had the money to pay.
All right.
Bro, back the up. Now.
Off my medication. Off it. I don't got the money to pay though. But I got the money to pay though.
Oh, shit, I'm locked.
You ain't no nigga for real, bitch. You mix with white. Bitch, you mix with white. You gotta be mixed with white, ho. Bitch, I showed you my bank account, bitch. The motherfucking receipt said 300, bitch. I got 700 on my account, bitch. I got 700 on my account, bitch. Hey. I feel lightheaded. I feel lightheaded. I feel lightheaded. I'm a
In the end, officers say it plainly. She ate the food, had the drinks, and when the bill came due, there just wasn't any money behind the promises. She was charged with theft, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and more. Basically the whole combo meal. She spent 10 days in jail over a restaurant tab. And of course, the bonus donut charge for this one. Excessive reliance on apps that don't actually work when you need them to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe before someone steals your donut, and we'll see you on the next wanted donut list.